Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you enjoyed the introduction on how to download Orange and Tableau. The next thing we'll be looking at is how to use Orange. Let's dive in. First thing to do is to open Orange. First thing you see is how to start with Orange using unit tools like files or uploading using URL. There are also YouTube videos and examples based on how to use it. Orange gives you guidelines and examples on how to use its tools for your practice. This is the dashboard made of widgets such as models, evaluation, and visualization. Now that we know briefly on what we'll be working on, let's get started. Choose a file. Select which file you will like to use. On this example, I will be using the COVID-19 dataset, which show the impact on the disease among countries, with our target being the death rate comparing to other attributes and features. After selection, link the dataset to the data table by clicking on the right side of the widget. Double-click on the data table to see the list of attributes in the dataset in a tablet form. The table shows a 0.2% of missing data. To remove the missing data, link to Impute to integrate the data. Also look into the dataset using the feature statistics, which displays the mean, mode, median, and the missing data. Now double-click on Impute to filter and change default method. To remove missing data, change the Impute to showcase frequent patterns to remove the missing data. I filter based on World Health Organization region. You can also adjust your visualization as more widgets are inputted. Next is to link Impute to a data table to see if missing values have been removed. This is one of the stages of data preprocessing, and it indicates that there are no missing values. We link the preprocess widget to indicate that the data has been cleaned. Sample the data and format the number of items that should be sample. Here, we'll be sampling 70% items so we can have a precise output. We'll now link a scatter plot to see instances where clustering took place between the X and Y axis for confirmed and recovered cases respectively. You can also link one widget on an empty space and type in the search box the type of widget you will like to use. We then link the correlation widget to see the relationships between two variables per each category. This shows a positive correlation amongst the variables. I then save the data by adding the Save Data widget and double-clicking to save in my documents. Double-click to save in your documents. Next is to link the data sampler to a tree to classify the data. I then use a tree viewer to know how instances in the disease were classified. The nodes show the connection amongst the patterns in the tree. For examples, it shows in one of the tree branches that 2,739 confirmed in one of the countries were a part of 20,519 deaths in the pattern cases. For more visualization, I link the data sampled to the bar plot, and it shows the recovered cases against the counties in Africa, Europe, and Asia. I tend to link the sampled data to distributions, which gives a wide range of distributions based on the World Health Organization against each countries. I then adjust my widget for better presentation and save my data. This brings us to the end of this video on how to use Orange as a basis for data processing. I hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.